welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my baby food. So guys, this is my baby. This is how she loves it. Your child might like it differently, but my baby loves it like so. Okay, so in here I have my spoon, and this is the tiny mini bowl. So guys, we are using GERBER baby today, the multi-grain. I love this multi-grain because in here we have the oatmeal, we have rice. Guys, this is how my baby loves it, and I want to show you guys how we make it. Okay, so I buy this multi-grain from Walmart. Her Enfamil, the milk, I get it from Walmart as well, and her water I buy it from Walmart. Okay, and her water too. So this one, I actually poured it here. So when I want to give her the food, I always make sure there's a drinking water next to us. You know, babies, they need water all the time. Okay, so I don't measure it, I just eyeball it. Sometimes my baby eats a lot, sometimes she eats less. You know, it depends on her mood and appetite. So, and this spoon, it actually comes with a scoop. Why can't I find it? Oh, it should be inside, but let me use this spoon. Okay, this scoop, I always use 3 scoops, but this one is tiny, it's not as big as the scoop, so I will use about I have 3 here. Let me add 3 more. Yes, this should be enough. So now I have 6 spoons. This is a tiny spoon, guys, don't forget. If this thing is not sweet, your baby will not take it. Okay, so let me add 1 more. Guys, don't judge me. You know this is not the scoop. Don't say, oh my God, that's a lot. No, we are eyeballing it. It's not a lot. And in here I have hot water. This flask, I actually bought this from Amazon. If you want it, I can leave the link down below. And this is very good. The water lasts up to like 24 hours. Yes, it does. So I will just add a whole lot of water here and mix it. Okay, you can see the water is very hot. I'll mix it. Make sure it is nice, like a nice paste she's going to like. So I'll mix it very well. I hope you guys can see me. The camera is kind of far, but I'm sure you guys can see what I'm doing, right? So I will mix and test. I will actually use, you can test it or you can do like a patch test, but I like to always use my tongue because the tongue is kind of different from the skin, right? So you don't want to burn your baby's tongue. So make sure you try it before giving it to your baby. All right, so I like to always mix it very well to get off those small thick balls in it. Am I calling it right? The thick paste, rather. Sorry guys. Oh my God, that's so funny, right? Yes, mix. Yes guys, this is the best consistency my baby loves. This paste, if you give her this paste now, nice. In fact, she will finish it in 2 seconds. So guys, this is how to make my baby food. This is how I make GERBER baby food. So guys, let's be serious. This is how I make my baby food, and she loves it like this. Guys, if I don't make it like this, she's not going to take it. So guys, I'll leave a clip of her eating it. Okay, so you guys will see. All right. Okay, GERBER, please run me my check. Guys, this video is not sponsored. I'm just joking. I don't know why I'm messing around. So you guys will see how my baby loves her food. My baby is a queen. She's my princess. And this is how she loves the food. Okay?